Ready to learn 50 plus rooms in a house in English? From the attic to the basement, we're covering them all. Let's dive in and expand your vocabulary fast. Living room. Living room. Family room. Family room. Drawing room. Drawing room. Lounge. Lounge. Parlor. Parlor. Dining room. Dining room. Breakfast nook. Breakfast nook. Formal dining room. Formal dining room. Kitchen. Kitchen. Pantry. Pantry. Butler's pantry. Butler's pantry. Scullery. Scullery. Bedroom. Bedroom. Master bedroom. Master bedroom. Guest room. Guest room. Nursery. Nursery. Children's bedroom. Children's bedroom. Dormitory. Dormitory. Attic bedroom. Attic bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. Ensuite bathroom. Ensuite bathroom. Shower room. Shower room. Powder room. Powder room. Toilet. Toilet. Laundry room. Laundry room. Utility room. Utility room. Study. Study. Office. Office. Library. Library. Home office. Home office. Home theater. Home theater. Game room. Game room. Music room. Music room. Playroom. Playroom. Media room. Media room. Gym. Gym. Spa room. Spa room. Sauna. Sauna. Yoga room. Yoga room. Closet. Closet. Walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. Storage room. Storage room. Basement. Basement. Wine cellar. Wine cellar. Mudroom. Mudroom. Porch. Porch. Balcony. Balcony. Terrace. Terrace. Patio. Patio. Garage. Garage. Carport. Carport. Attic. Attic. Loft. Loft. Conservatory. Conservatory. Sunroom. Sunroom. Greenhouse. Greenhouse. Billiard room. Billiard room. Workshop. Workshop. Foyer. Foyer. Wine tasting room. Wine tasting room. Thanks for watching. Now you know over 50 rooms in a house in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun language videos. See you in the next one.